Guangdong XiMi New Material Technology Company Limited, one of the sub-companies of XiMi Group, is a high-tech company integrating mining, powder processing and sales. XiMi Group has separate departments including mining team, barium sulphate, calcium carbonate, talc powder, and silica powder factory, high-tech iron business unit, import and export department, domestic sales department, etc. Powder seems to be insignificant, but it plays a huge role in all walks of life. Take barium sulphate powder as an example. For rubber industry, barium sulphate powder can improve rubber's gloss and hardness, and also helps noise insulation. For plastic industry, it can increase utilization rate and reduce production cost. For powder coating industry, it can increase coating's hardness and improve wear resistance. For paint industry, it can effectively improve weather resistance. For brake pad industry, it can change its interstructure and make its performance more stable. For lead storage battery, it can effectively delay plate passivation and extend battery's life. XiMi specialized in manufacturing high-quality powder with continuous improvement. XiMi has two bright mines located at Guangxi Province, with more than 2 million tons mineral resources. Ore stock quantity is 20,000 tons per month. Monthly capacity of barium sulphate is over 3,000 tons. Calcium carbonate is 6,000 tons. Delivery time is only 2 days for stock products. Normal lead time is 7 to 15 days. XiMi has distributors, warehouses in a lot major cities in China. XiMi's factory is only 50 km away from the nearest port. With convenient transportation, XiMi delivers cargoes to all over the world. XiMi employs technical experts and R&D team for constant innovation and continuous improvement. XiMi adopts the most advanced ball mill grinding crushing technology, integrating ultra-fine grinding and fine grading, relying on strong technical support and high quality of wine raw materials. XiMi's products have achieved weightness of 95% to 99%, content above 98%. The particle size can be as small as 0.65 micron. Strict production regulation and high efficiency ensure the stability of products' quality. XiMi has two research and development departments, powder coating R&D Center and engineering plastics R&D Center, making it possible to customize products according to customers' requirement, including weightness, constant, particle size, oil absorption, pH value, packaging, and so on. XiMi's barium sulphate, calcium carbonate, talc powder, and silica powder has been used widely in life. As a leading company in powder industry, XiMi is serving the society with the most advanced technology and self-product. XiMi has been recognized by the whole industry and got certification of ISO, REACH, ROHS, CCPSA, absence of asbestos test, etc. XiMi is not only a professional powder manufacturer, it also builds a barrage of trust between customers and manufacturers. So far, XiMi has established a production base in Guangdong, a sales network across China, and a sound sales and after-sales system. XiMi has been providing excellent product and professional service to over 1,000 companies in China and more than 30 overseas countries. Superior quality and professional service is always XiMi's promise. XiMi constantly dedicates in achieving the mission and vision. Quality is priority. XiMi is determined to be the leader in powder industry. XiMi, be here for you forever.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.